Hi, I'm Tamiko from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install the Graco Premier SnugRide SnugFit 35XT featuring load leg technology rear facing with a lower anchor attachment. Load leg technology reduces rotation and adds stability in the event of an impact. First, remove the lower anchor connectors from the storage location. You can do this by pressing on the red button and pulling the strap. Do this on both sides. Next, extend the lower anchor strap to its maximum length by pressing on the gray button and pulling the strap. Release the load leg by pressing the blue lever on the bottom of the base. You can also use the blue lever at the front of the base to release the load leg. Slide the base against the back of the vehicle seat. Make sure that at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. You want to make sure that your vehicle is on flat ground. Next, check the level indicator. You want to make sure that it's in the proper range for your child's age. To adjust, use the recline actuator at the front of the base. Attach the lower anchor connectors to the lower anchor in your vehicle seat. You should hear a click, and then pull to make sure it's securely attached. Make sure that the strap is flat and not twisted. Open the snug lock lock-off by pressing on the gray lever. Then press on the center of the base and remove slack by pulling on the free end of the strap. You may need to feed the free end of the strap through the belt path to get better leverage to remove slack. Now close the snug lock lock-off. Test for tightness by grabbing at the belt path and shaking the seat side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch in either direction. If it does, open the snug lock lock-off, remove more slack, and then close the lock-off again. To extend the load leg, press the upper 2 extension buttons and pull the leg down. If it doesn't reach the vehicle floor, use the lower button to extend the leg. The red indicator strip should no longer be visible when the load leg is securely installed. Finally, recheck your level indicator to make sure that it's in a proper position for your child's age. Place the car seat into the base and you should hear a click. Then pull up on the handle to make sure that the car seat is securely attached. Recheck the level indicator once baby is in the car seat. Check for proper harness height. Straps should be at or just below the child's shoulders for rear-facing mode. Buckle the child in and attach the chest clip. Tighten the harness by pulling on the strap at the front of the car seat. Move the chest clip to armpit level. Do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any slack at the child's shoulders.